I'm Rian, a CAD engineer of Team Marlin. Welcome to this video on sketching, renders and orthographic projections. So the first topic we're going to cover is orthographic projections. So orthographic projections, also known as engineered drawings, are where you show an object, or in this case a car, that has been drawn from top, side and maybe front views. But for F1 schools, Team Marlin don't usually draw front views, as front views of cars are not too informative. So with orthographic projections, engineers use these to show exact measurements and angles so that it is easier for us to make things out of, rather than isometric renders, which I'll cover later, which is more just to show the overall look. So for the orthographic projections that I'm going to be showing you today of our CAD tutorial car, I'm going to be using this template, which I will link into the description as a development class template, and also I'll link an entry class template. Professional class is not is not a template, but you have to be able to fit a virtual cargo in. So part 1 that I would do, or step 1, would be to kind of draw the overall main body, so the outline of it. And so I've drawn the side pods, rear pods and kind of cockpit area in. So the top of the graphic, the cockpit area is literally what you see from the top. You don't have to shade it or anything to show it, but it's literally most of the time going to be kind of straight lines with a curve. So then step 2 would be to add more detail. So I've kind of added the fillets of the CAD tutorial car, as well as the actual nose cone. And then this one is a bit darker, as I've kind of gone over it with pen, so that we can see the wings have been drawn in, and also the back wings, which also you need to make sure have been covered or are covering the rear pods. So this is step 1 of the side orthographic. So this is just the main outline of the cockpit area. So obviously, as a side orthographic, you're literally going to see the kind of central point, talking from a front view. Then that is the bit you're going to draw. And here I've added slightly more detail, so I've added the fillets and also side pods and rear pods. And then here I've gone over with pen again, and also added on the wings, which you can mostly just see end plates. As with the CAD tutorial car, the end plates actually cover where the wing goes in, so you can't see it. So now we'll move on to the second topic of this video, which is isometric renders. So here is a finished isometric render of the CAD tutorial car, and I haven't actually done the wheels yet because it just follows the same system, which I'll show you in a minute in a time-lapse video. So isometric means it's drawn in a special grid, or at the start of a special grid, which has vertical lines and diagonal 30-degree lines. So this will show it's 3D, as all horizontal lines in a kind of orthographic projection are actually drawn on this 30-degree line, which shows obviously the 3D-ness of it. The opposite of isometric is oblique, which is how more smaller children learn, and it's not as technical because you can't draw as many shapes. So this is the no-go zone template, which I use. It's for development class, so I'll link the development class templates and entry class templates into the description. So now we'll show you the time lapse. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Please subscribe, like, for more videos on Team 1, Everyone Schools and graphic design. Thank you.